This is a Porsche 356, but you probably already know that. It's Porsche's first production car and the car that inspired every single car they have ever made since then. And it doesn't take much to notice that the iconic silhouette lives on in what it later became known as the 911. However, about 60 years later, even the hottest models only made roughly double-digit horsepower. To put that in reference, that's about half what a modern Corolla or Prius makes. But hold that thought. This is a Porsche 718 Cayman. It exists in a very different world. A world where the average family saloon can be as fast as a supercar. It has all the most modern, sophisticated technology packed into a turbocharged four-cylinder that helps it keep up with even the most expensive cars on the track. See where I'm going with this? Yes. Behind me here in this 356 is the very motor from a 718 Cayman shoved in to this beautiful body. What kind of madman would do such a thing? Well, it'd be my dad, and this is his car. I'm really excited to start making videos on this thing, so don't forget to subscribe and I'll show you the whole build process of how we get this car running, driving, and still looking like a 356. And subscribers will know that I unveiled another 356 a few months back. That will be in great contrast to this thing. That will be a full stock car, back original, all how it came from the factory. And so I'll be detailing the build of that too. I haven't posted very many videos on that yet just because it's been basically sporadic welding and sourcing of parts, and it hasn't been very interesting. However, I have the floors installed now. I have most of the welding done, and so it's on to body work and bolting in the transmission and the engine and all the exciting bits that I will be filming and posting videos on. So don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of exciting things coming to the channel. A lot of 356 content. Can't wait to see you then.